Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Mike here. Thanks for stopping by, clicking on the video. Appreciate it. I am knee deep in alligators here with dealing with a couple kind of old and new projects at the same time. Remember a while back I did pour this curbing for access to the shop so that I wasn't drawing a bunch of rocks in underneath the door. It was a real pain in the butt opening the doors without concrete underneath them. So I poured that side of the shop under that door just to see how it would work. It worked pretty well. It held up pretty well. I filmed some of the digging, but I didn't film basically mixing the concrete and pouring this side because it's essentially the same as the other side that I poured in all. So now we're going like really crazy. We're going to pave this whole area. We're going to pave down to the front of the shop. We're going to pave this turnaround area behind me. We're going to pave the driveway, and we're going to pave the parking area up above, up by the house. This is something we've been thinking about doing since when we got here. We really want to do it, and so we're going to bite the bullet and do it. It's about a week and a half out that they're going to get started on their excavation and doing what they're going to do. And one of the big issues is that this hill behind me is going to run water right into the shop. And so I'm putting in basically a channel drain in front of the shop that'll run in front of this curbing that I put in before. So I'm trying to get that done and get it cured before they get here, because they're gonna butt the asphalt up to whatever I leave them. And so you can see kind of in the background, I think a little bit, I am on my way of putting in this channel drain. My plan is to run this all the way down the front here, and then I'll drain the water underneath this driveway that's here and into the grass, etc., etc. So that's the plan, and that's what I'm working on. In a perfect scenario, you would put all 24 feet together and put it in place, but I'm doing this by myself, so I'm basically building it as I go. I may end up even pouring this section, and then doing the second section kind of like I did the curbing. We'll see how that goes. We'll see what I come up with. I dug this out, and then I laid some fresh bed of rock in, and then I'm going to surround the channel drain with 4 inches of concrete on all four sides. How about all 3 sides? All 3 sides, and like I said, run it all the way down. So I'm getting ready to dig some more out so I can piece some more together. Piecemealing is not ideal, obviously, but it's how I'm doing it, just because I do most of this stuff by myself, and so figuring it out and doing stuff that's manageable is a big piece of the pie. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video, and this will probably have several parts to it because I do want to at least capture some of the paving project, but we'll see how it goes.